Hi guys, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install SSDT for Visual Studio 2026. To first here, in Google search box, write there Visual Studio, then go on this Visual Studio Microsoft.com site. So here, you can use this Visual Studio 26. Let's click on this Explore All version. Here you can use Enterprise, Professional and Community. Community is free, so that I'm going to download this Community version. So click on this download. The file is now currently downloading this done here. After that, simply you need to click on this exe file. Then here you can see Visual Studio installer. Click on this continue. So Visual Studio, getting the Visual Studio installer ready. Now you can see this here Visual Studio community that's come there. Now you need to scroll down. Then here you can see data storage. So when you click this data storage processing, then here you can see SQL Server Data Tools, SSD, you can get there. So simply need to click on this. After selecting, click on this here, install. So Visual Studio Community 2026. Here, starting download. So total size is for 1.48 GB. Okay, and this is now currently downloading, as well as this will start the here. Now you can see this is started here for installing as well. This here Visual Studio Community 2026, this done here. The next is in Google search box right there SSDT for Visual Studio. Then go on this Microsoft.com site. Here you need to scroll down, and now you can see this place, this here Visual Studio 2026 extension. This here Visual Studio 2026 extension. And let's click on this first analysis service. So here now you need to click on this get started. Click on this OK. So this is now here downloading this analysis service. Microsoft Data Tools analysis service currently downloading. Analysis service is downloaded. Let's click on this exe file to install this service. So currently this is initializing. And the next is then I'm going to download the integration service. So let's click this, click on this download, and here. So this here, now you can see this place integration service is now currently downloading. Now you can see Visual Studio 2026 that's detected there for analysis service. Simply you need to click on this install. So this here modifying the Visual Studio community. Okay. Community 2026. Let's click on this close, and the next is here. Let's do the installation of integration service. So simply you need to click on this exe file, and now let's click on this OK, and click on this next community that's selected there. Click on this install. So this is now SQL Server Integration Service currently loading the package. Then after here, this is analysis, and the next is this integration. Let's go back. Then I'm going to download the reporting service. So get started. Click on this OK. So this is now our reporting service. This is currently downloading. The size is only 96 MB. Now here you can see this SQL Server Integration Service says project is now set up progress. Integration service that's installed successfully. Let's click on this close. Thereafter the next is let's go on this download section. There I'm going to install the reporting services. So click on this reporting services. Now you can see this VSIX installer initializing. Now you can see this Visual Studio Community 2026 detected there. Click on this install. So this is now modifying the Visual Studio Community 2026. This reporting surface on this Visual Studio Community that install. Thereafter, simply you need to open their Visual Studio. So Visual Studio here. Now let's click on this escape. You can use dark or light. Let's select the light option. Then click on this start. Thereafter create a project. Then you can see there you can create the project with analysis service, analysis, integration service. Here report wizard, you have this option. Okay, or if that not appear, you can also from here you can search integration. So integration service project you can get there, or if you want then you can use the analysis service project there. So this is how we can install this SSDT for Visual Studio 2026. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.